Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to learn fast dribbling in basketball step by step. Start by breaking down the skill into micro drills that isolate hand speed, ball control, and change of direction. Focus on consistent repetition and deliberate rest, track progress with simple timers, and increase difficulty gradually. Keep sessions short, intentional, and varied so practice stays fun and effective for long-term improvement. Begin with fingertip dribbles and quick hand taps to build control and touch. Move to cone drills that force sharp cuts and quick knees while maintaining low center of gravity for balance. Add rhythm sequences like crossover followed by between the legs to teach coordination, then combine with bursts of speed. Repeat each drill in short sets and track consistency rather than just raw speed for better long-term gains. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride. It's a small joy that keeps you smiling between drills. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and enjoy the scent while you train. Now let's get back to the video. Progress by adding live elements like passive defenders or visual cues to force reactive dribbling. Blend ball handling with shooting and passing drills so skills transfer to real play, and practice under mild fatigue to build resilience. Use small-sided games to simulate pressure, forcing quicker decisions and sharper execution. Review video or feedback after sessions to identify weak links and refine drills for steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.